Our Employee Relief Fund is a wonderful program. I'm really proud of it. It's an opportunity for colleagues to help colleagues when they need it the most. So it's a great program that we formalized a couple of years ago. We really make sure that everyone has access to it, so if they have personal issues, they can really use this fund to help support their short-term needs.
So Rachel and I work together on a daily basis. She is the HR business partner for Wisconsin and Minnesota.
My daughter Finley was born in July of 2015, and we needed to find a new daycare arrangement who had room for a baby plus our son. We ended up finding this new person. So they had only been going there 11 days in total. I got a call. It was towards the end of the day. It was only about a half hour before I was going to be going to pick them both up, and got a call from her saying, "You need to come right away." I called the ambulance for Finley. She's having trouble breathing.
How in one day do you have this perfect little girl, and then the next day she's in ICU at Children's?
She had been shaken, but she had also been struck on something, so she actually had a skull fracture. And so she ended up, it was 2 days we spent with her at Children's Hospital before she ended up passing away.
Tragedy does not send you an email. It doesn't send you a text message in the morning and say, "Hey, when you leave today, you're gonna come home and your life will be changed forever."
The only two people who in this world understand what that loss was would be me and my wife. And my wife is phenomenal. I mean, just beyond words, you couldn't describe how just a person she is, the strongest person you've ever met.
It's a hard thing to really put into words, but what I've tried to tell people is somehow I really feel like Finley has been giving me the strength, and she's helping me go on, and she wants me to find ways to help people and get the word out about this issue with child abuse in general. And so for me, I think that's how I'm able to keep going on and talk about it, and I think share the story. Is I really feel like somehow she's giving me the strength to continue on and do that.
We talked about ways that we could support Rachel, and we felt helpless because she's going through this experience which you don't want any parent to have to go through, any family or any community. We knew we needed to do something, but we weren't quite sure what to do. And Rachel told me a few weeks ago that the CVS Employee Fund had come through and helped her and her family financially during this difficult time. It just meant so much to us that it truly is a family, and we truly are here to support one another. And when bad things, when tragedies happen, there's a fund that can help people through that.
So I would say to anyone, give just a little, and you could just make such a big difference for somebody who truly needs that at some point in their life, and it could be you.
CVS really does care. They do care about their colleagues, and I think that's an important piece that sometimes people feel lost in such a large company. But to know that, they really take the time and effort to make sure we're doing the best we can for all of our colleagues.